Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk and today we're unboxing another great product from Inateck. This is their wall charger. So let's get into the unboxing. See what's here. So again, we see very clean and just precise packaging that we know from Inateck. So what I'm going to do is just take this out of here, then we can talk more details about what's inside and its features. So inside we do have our main component here. We have a wall charger. You just have a little bit of plastic film that you just need to take off. So on the side it says Inateck. If we turn round to the back here, this is where it gets a little bit interesting. You see two USB ports and then also USB-C port there as well. Going back round, we have Inateck, and then you're missing your plugs. So let's have a look at the plug system. And with this, it has the added feature of giving you not just one or two, but three different plugs. So you have a US plug style socket here. You have the traditional 3-pin UK socket. Then finally we have a European one. So this is great for anyone that likes to travel, that needs to go to different countries or in Europe. For me, I've been to the United States and I've been in Europe, so I could take this with me and power up and charge my devices. Then finally, just here at the bottom, provided with a tangle-free, high-quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which I think is a very neat idea. And you've got an Inateck band in there to make sure it stays nice and secure. Then just at the bottom, you've just got a little bit of information booklet here, just showing you how to use your product and the power that it provides. So let's move this all aside and I'll go into more detail. So looking at closer detail at our plug here, let's connect the UK one as we're going to use it here first of all. So you just push in. To remove this, there's a little button there that you need to push in. That will release, and then we can switch to either the US or the European one, depending on your choice or your region where you're using. So this is available on Amazon UK and US. Here in the UK it costs $26.99. I think that's quite a good price as well for the ability that you can use this for. So turning around to the back and looking at our ports, you've got a 30 watt USB-C. The overall power of this is 45 watts and two USB ports. The USB ports are 5 volts or 2.4 amps, and these can charge simultaneously. The USB-C port is 30 watts of charging, so you have enough power in here to charge a MacBook Pro, charge a Nintendo Switch, or all other devices that use the USB-C charging ability. So with the USB ports with 2.4 amps of power, you can charge the iPad Pro, the iPhone 10, and all other devices that connect via USB from Samsung, HTC, and all other devices, which I think is really great there. So it has a very sleek and stylish design with a glossy outer side and then a matte finish around the back here, and then on top again it's glossy, which I think it makes it ideal. Like I said, it's very neat for traveling. When you're traveling, you could use this when you're on the go all the time, and it's great that you get a free cable provided for charging your devices. The 3 ports do support fast charging depending on your device as well. They can provide fast charging, and dual charging is available as well simultaneously, which I think is a great feature. With the USB, it offers optimal current for each device utilizing intelligence recognition technology to make sure that the device isn't overcharged, overpowered, underpowered, and that your device won't get damaged. So we're going to be testing this out as well. I'm looking forward to trying it out. If you do have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. And this has been the unboxing of the Inateck wall charger that has a USB-C and dual USB charging slots. Thanks always for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.